Hapreng ke jingile bante lakam na jing pun caklia le era Byrnihat ke badangsien glayo iga nam benengkong kum ke cakap caklia tam gal era India ke sarkar Assam kampat Jubab ke jing Tyrwa nagaliang ke Meghalaya kata bantau ke coordination kam joint action committee kata bani Ïatreilang na ke benta ke jing temu ke sarkar Meghalaya ke Tyrwa ke committee bante lakam ke jing caklia ke era Byrnihat wala ki kai pot ki kdo baka air quality index AQI ke don ke moderate category warne na malai chairman ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ulang bak sarkar Meghalaya kala Tyrwa ke committee maka jingsu khya bala pensngau ke National Clean Air Program NCAP kentup ki jinglap jingsham dak Center for Research on Energy and Clean Air CREA.
So as per the current level of air quality index in the Byrnihat is 130, which is moderate, and the same thing can be verified by the Samir app, which is developed by the Central Pollution Control Board, which gives the hourly updates, real time data of National Air Quality Index. As per that record, it is 130. And same time, we also have established continuous ambient air quality monitoring station at Byrnihat from Meghalaya side, and also Assam side also one is already operation. So the data is linked to the Samir app, and the Samir app shown this of 130. Whereas ours is also almost same data, it is confirmed, and of course, our data is also confirming the same. We have four air quality monitoring stations, which is manually we can collect the data. As per that, it is showing 103 of our. We used to compile data from for the calendar year. In the year 2025, our air quality index is only 103. So it is 100 to 200 is moderate. So as per current status is moderate only, not much polluted. Of course, we have taken numerous actions, like we have insisted all the pollution industry in the Byrnihat area install continuous ambient air quality monitoring stations, and also our officials regularly go for inspection and see if there is any violations. They will used to give closer notices, and also we used to impose environmental compensation. Due to all these actions, the pollution level has come from the poor status to one point of time it has been projected as most polluted city in the country. Now it has become from poor status. Now it has become moderate. So this is the current status. Most means like we have closed these all concentrated industries, and we have closed. And again, after at the time of closing, we used to give a law means terms and conditions. What are their violations? How they that has to be rectified by the industries. So once they're rectified, and we have Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board being a regulatory body, we have to regulate of consented industries. These are the consented industries. We have not closed permanently. We are giving directions on violation part to comply. So the once they comply, and we will allow to open. And maybe if there is environmental damage, we have used to impose environmental compensation also, and also whatever the violations taken by them, like suppose their CCTV camera is not functional, or maybe OCM is not functioning. OCMS means online continuous emission monitoring station, which is they're supposed to keep in all industries area, and that has to be linked to the State Pollution Control Board, Meghalaya, so that we can monitor. So that also to be compulsorily they should install there, and suppose that is not operating, and again in case the pollution control board, the pollution control device which is supposed to be operational. So suppose at the time of inspection, if they tend to they it's not in operation, they are shutting it down. So in that case, we used to strictly give the conditions. You should operate all these things, and also it should be functional. So in that violation, we used to give it directions to comply. So once they comply, and we will allow to open. And that's what, as I said, our from Meghalaya side, based on the data recorded from Caspos Byrnihat, which is in Assam side, which are established from Assam side, and our manual data and manual air quality data recorded by our Pollution Control Board, Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, and also we also have established continuous ambient air quality monitoring station in the Byrnihat area itself from Meghalaya side. So all is confirming only it is moderate. But however, this data is it is this is based on the Byrnihat of Assam side. So Byrnihat of Assam side, maybe they should have mentioned as a Byrnihat instead of Byrnihat. So Byrnihat means they'll say always like Meghalaya. So Assam side is called as a Byrnihat, Burnihat. Maybe they mentioned Assam side. Maybe it is not pertaining to Meghalaya. So maybe Meghalaya side is as per our records, and also the record to maintain the records of continuous sampling air quality monitoring station established at Byrnihat of Assam side also showing the same record of this zone. Like today's air quality index is 130 only. So it is moderate.
It is improving, yeah.
It is improving because last 6 months, one or two times, maybe due to some reasons, it has spiked to little poor status beyond 200. And now it is always like if you see the records of Samir app, it's showing like moderate. So now it is improved a lot. So Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board being a regulatory body, we have to regularly monitor. Unless we monitor, we do not know which are the companies are violating. So our team consisting of scientific branch and engineering branch, they'll go regularly for inspection. And if they find any kind of violations, and immediately they issue a show cause notice as per the procedure of Water Act Direct. So we give directions for their complaints. And if there is any major violation, we used to impose a normal compensation and all. So that is our routine work, and we regularly doing it. And due to this effect only, we have brought this very poor status to moderate. And of course, here I want to make one more point that we have Meghalaya side, we have some industries, and same time Byrnihat is a bordering area of Assam. That side also they have many industries. So maybe whatever the actions we take from Meghalaya side, and the same kind of activities to be taken, action to be taken by the Assam side, so that the pollution level can be mitigated in the bordering area. Of course, the government side we have taken initiatives. Our Honorable CM also has written a letter to the Honorable CM of Assam, and with a plan to establish joint coordination committee, joint action and coordination committee to regularly see that the pollution status, and also how to mitigate the
What
pollution.
What is the status of that committee?
The committee we have sent to the government of Assam, but still we have not received any nomination from them. So once they send the nomination, the committee will be constituted, and that will become in action.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha kajing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.